Hello everyone and welcome back to my crafting world. This is Anna. I have a project share with you guys today, and I have used the Heartfelt Creations Wild Rose paper pad for this. My kids never asked me for anything, and my son asked me if I could make something to put about half a dozen pictures into. His girlfriend's birthday is coming up, and he said he wanted to include this in one of his gifts, and I thought, well, yeah, I can make something. I wanted to make her a full-blown mini album, but he said no, it's just a few pictures. So I said okay. So I made him a birthday pocket folio, and this is what it looks like on the front. I stamped a happy birthday sentiment on a circle that I die cut, put a faux leather bow on there. These flowers were gifted to me from Michelle Randolph. She is shabby chic chick in our last swap. And so I thought they matched pretty well, and I wanted to bring out a little bit of that yellow, so I used this one, and then of course incorporate the pink. And then this one is just a flower that I had in my stash. I had actually used that for the shadow box, and I had that one left over. And I used some leaves. I get these from ASC Supplies, and I'll leave you a link in the description box just so you can go check them out. And then I put some pops of color here on the corners, and then I tucked in a couple of gold styrofoam balls. And that's what the front looks like. I didn't do anything to the side, and then the back just has the pattern paper. So on the inside, I did close it with some crinkled seam binding, and then on the inside we open it up and we have these two pockets. So each pocket has a picture mat, and that's just so pretty. He can cover that up if he wants. He can put the picture on the back. He can put a picture right here. So there's plenty of space for some pictures. So that one just tucks in there. And then this picture mat is also from this page, and I have made it the exact size as the other one. And again, he can use the background for a picture. And then these flowers, I had made these a few months ago, and I used them on here. And then I used some more pops of color right here in the corners. And then I used my new stamp, guys. I used my new stamp for the happy birthday wax seal. And then I just put a couple of, a few little dots of the wax here at the bottom. And I really, really like the way that looks. I don't know if you guys can tell. I just love that. So on this side, not only is a pocket, it is a flip. So I can flip it over, or flip it over, and he can put a couple of pictures here. So I kept it nice and simple because I don't know her. I mean, I know her, I just don't know her really well to where I would know what style, she likes or something like that. So I left it fairly simple. I'm hoping she likes girly, because that's what this is. Girly colors. You guys know my colors. I thought I would show you my birthday pocket folio that I have made for my son's girlfriend. I'm very honored that he asked me to make something. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you later. You guys have a great day. Thanks a lot, guys.